Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us from the market site in Times Square, we have Pablo Jaque. He's a partner over at Singular. We're going to discuss the first Nasdaq ETF product in Chile. Pablo, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you very much, Jill.
All right, tell us about Singular and the market that you serve.
Well, basically, this Singular it's a company that was founded in 2018. We have Oaktree Capital Management as part of the group. The market we serve, it's basically a Chilean-based company, and the Chilean market altogether, summing up pension funds, insurance companies, and the fund industry, it's around 400 billion.
Right. So you recently launched the first Nasdaq ETF product in Chile. Why list locally when the QQQ can be accessed anywhere globally?
Sure. Well, it can be accessed easily when you have an international platform, but not necessarily when you have when you're a local retail investor in Chile. So, and that's basically the idea, to bring access for all the rest that not necessarily have an international platform.
What's the strategy behind disrupting the ETF market with lower cost products?
Well, we believe there are lots of benefits when you bring ETFs into such a market. You bring transparency, lower costs, etc., and access, of course. Mm-hmm. We would like to lead what's been happening with the ETF market in the US and elsewhere in Chile.
Will this happen? Will this help to attract a larger retail and high net worth client base?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, that's basically the idea, and to be honest, we would like to help democratize the access for all non-institutional investors. Institutional investors, of course, have been investing internationally for decades already, and this is a market that's been growing for long now, and it's quite in healthy conditions. But of course, for non-institutional investors, you always want to bring better access and transparency, efficiency, et cetera, et cetera. Right.
This seems to be the right time to do that now, this moment in history. So what's next for Singular?
Oh, what's next? This is our ETF number 5. We're about to launch another one in the next few months. There are lots of trends we would like to follow, such as ESG or some other things that we find very interesting, and we hope we can bring such interesting alternatives into the local market. We don't know. I think there's a lot going on, and hopefully we have a lot to give still.
All right, Pablo, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. You got it. And thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.